Good morning mga beshi! So currently for today's video may gala na naman po tayo, and yung gala natin today is bongga kasi we're here na in Australia. Ayan, so as you can see, no, nandito na ako sa airport ng Brisbane. So this is our first stop, Brisbane, Australia. Then we will go to Sydney on April 10 yung flight namin. So we're here for 4 days only. Ayan, so ayun, full pack yung aming itinerary for today hanggang sa makarating kami sa hotel. Ayan, so stay tuned sa aking vlog para makita nyo kung ano ang meron dito sa Brisbane, Australia. Let's go, samahan nyo ako. And so welcome to Brisbane mga beshi.
I've got a story I'd like to tell you, but before I do, after lunch I'll give you commentary talking about the city of Brisbane. Right now we're just going to chat a bit. Now everybody, the first one, because where the prison was settled, it was surrounded by a river. The soldiers camped across the land part, so they couldn't get past the soldiers, and if they tried to swim in the river, the sharks would get them. And this is true. So there was a penal settlement or a convict.
Yan, nasa Mount Coot-tha Summit na tayo, guys. Ayan, so this is our first stop, Mount Coot-tha. Ayan, so ang makikita nyo rito, guys, is overlooking na view. Ayan, so yan yung itsura niya, guys. So makikita nyo yung city ng Brisbane. Yan kami magla-lunch. So this is our next destination, the Performing Arts Theater dito sa Brisbane. Ayun, may malaking signage ng Brisbane. Oh. Ayun. And beshi, mga beshi, dito tayo sa may park nila. Ayan, ang ganda, diba? It's well done. Dito tayo, besh. Oh, diba? Ang laki ng room namin. So, dalawa lang kami dito ni Kevin. Ayan. Ayan. Walang swimming pool. Ayan!
Hello, Australia!
Ganda. Tapos may may ano dito. View dito. Ayan. So may covered court sa baba. Ayan. May restaurant doon. The Island. Ayan. So malapit lang sa mall. Ang ganda, oh. Bongga. So naglakad-lakad kami mga beshi para bumili ng socket. Ang mahal. So this will cost 500 plus in peso. Nakakainis. May mga shopping din kami. Ay may mga dito pwede mabilhan. Diba? Meron ding tram dito. Yan. Mura lang yan ang pamasahe dyan mga beshi.